Jain student, today we are going to discuss the new chapter that is sources of business finance. The financing is the important functions of any business undertaking. We know that for undertaking the business activities, the financing is the important function, but it deals with the procurement of the fund at the right time and their effective utilization in business. Means with the help of the finance, we can say that it is the lifeblood of any business or these activities initial to successful administration of financing in any organization, or we can say that comprise financial planning, raising the needs and funds, financial analyzing and control. So in this chapter, we discuss about the various sources of business finance. First, what is a business finance? Finance is that business activity which is concerned with the acquisitions and conservations of capital fund in meeting the financial needs and overall objective of business enterprises. मीन्स हम कह सकते हैं कि जो फाइनेंस है वो एक बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज का एक इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है, जिससे हम कंजर्वेशन ऑफ कैपिटल फंड अगर फाइनेंशियल नीड्स है तो वो फुलफिल करता है फॉर द स्मूथ रनिंग ऑफ अ बिजनेस. Overall objective of business enterprises is that it provides the sufficient finance for the carrying out the business operation. So, what is the nature and significance of business finance? Finance, we already know that finance is a major functions of any business. It deals with the arrangement of equity fund and utilizations to achieve the objective of the enterprises. मीन्स ये डील करता है फंड्स की अरेंजमेंट से लेकर उसके यूटिलाइजेशंस तक टू अचीव द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द इंटरप्राइजेस. अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द कैपिटल अलोन इज नॉट सफिशिएंट. अगर हम कैपिटल को अरेंज कर देते ये सफिशिएंट नहीं है. It is equally important and initially to utilize the it in the best possible manner. आप उसका कैसे यूज कर रहे हैं. Next, the nature of the business finance is that the finance is the lifeblood of modern business. As we know that without the finance, today's modern business cannot be run. So it requires all type of business activity, whether large or small, trading or manufacturing. Next, business finance involve the estimations of fund required and also include sources of fund, investment of finance. It include both fixed and working capital for the business. मीन्स यहाँ पे हम वर्किंग कैपिटल और फिक्स कैपिटल दोनों को इंक्लूड करते हैं. और एस्टिमेशन ऑफ फंड्स को हम देख ही रहे हैं, इसको करते हैं. द एबिलिटी ऑफ सफिशिएंट फाइनेंस, अगर हमारे पास सफिशिएंट फाइनेंस अवेलेबल है तो ये कैरी आउट करता है बिजनेस ऑपरेशन को स्मूथली. The amount of fund required different from one business to another. The another characteristic is that the amount of fund which we needed is different from the business to business and from time period to another time period. And the finance is the foundations of various business activities such as purchasing, productions, and marketing. So we can say that there must be a continuous flow of funds. एक continuous flow of fund होना चाहिए in and out of a business. So money make wheel of business run smoothly and it is managed. So business enterprise required the capital for three main purpose, that is financing the fixed capital requirement, financing the working capital requirement, financing the growth and expenses of the program. Thank you.